What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on OCGN stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Ocugen Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company focused on discovering, developing and commercialization transformative therapies to treat blindness diseases. Our breakthrough modifier gene therapy platform has the potential to treat multiple retinal diseases with one drug, one too many. And our novel biologic product candidate aims to offer better therapy to patients with underserved disease such as wet age-related macular degeneration, diabetic macular edema, and diabetic retinopathy. And for now, their key product is Covaxin, and here is the results that they have in India on phase 3. This was published on March the 3rd, 2021. Data from 25,800 participants in phase 3 trial in India received vaccine or placebo in a 1-to-1 ratio showed that the vaccine candidate was well tolerated and demonstrated 81% efficacy in preventing COVID-19 in those without prior infection after the second dose. Clinical trial to continue through to final analysis at 130 confirmed cases in order to gather further data and to evaluate the efficacy of Covaxin in additional secondary study endpoints. And here is their pipeline. Here is their three products, and we are on their deck, and it is the recent deck. It was made on March 2021. They have three main parts of their work. First one is a COVID-19 vaccine, second one is Ocugen's breakthrough modifier gene therapy platform, and third one novel biologic. And I want to pay your attention on these bullets. Covaxin whole version inactivated COVID-19 vaccine candidate with adjuvant licensed rights from Bharat Biotech for the US market. Currently received emergency use authorization in India. Standard vaccine storage condition is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. 81% efficacy in phase 3 interim analysis. Promising safety and immunogenicity demonstrated by the phase 1 and 2 trials in India. Phase 3 clinical trial enrolled 25,800 participants between 18 to 91 years of age, including 2,433 over the age of 60 and 4,500 with comorbidities. Phase 1 or 2 enrolled 755 participants of 12 plus years of age. Potential coverage against multiple protein antigens of the virus and potentially applicable to broader population. Effectively neutralize UK variant of SARS-CoV-2, reducing the possibility of mutant virus escape. Here is their pipeline. And as you can see, these two products, they are before the phase 1 and 2. And the most promising product for now is Covaxin. And as you can see, the main point that they are on their way to emergency use authorization by FDA in the United States. Here you can see the comparisons between several products. And there are different types of vaccines, and as you can see, only Covaxin, according to this data, they are past all these levels. And their key inflection points, as you can see, Covaxin is a vaccine candidate for the US market with potential for significant revenues this year. And on ophthalmology, they have three key points, and I don't want to read all of these because the main product and the main catalyst for now is this one. And we are on Investor Place, and here is the article that was published on March the 3rd, and it says anticipation of better vaccine use could drive Ocugen higher. If the FDA grants emergency use authorization, OCGN stock could really take off. And as you can see, here is the meaning of the author, that I think there's plenty more upside in store for the stock. In fact, if OCGN stock can break above the triple top resistance around $21.6, it could potentially refill the bearish gap around $34.2. Of course, that depends on if the COVID-19 vaccine can produce even more impressive data. And here is some financials about this company. We are on Seeking Alpha, and as you can see, for now their total market cap is $1.69 billion, and they have a small revenue of $42,620 with a net income of negative $5.65 million. They have total cash of $19.11 million with total debt of $3.38 million, and their current ratio is very good for the company. It is 4.78. And let me remind you that everything that is above 1 or 1.5 is a good result for the stability of the company. And that's why we have this data. As you can see, green lines indicate that these companies, they are buying this stock or they add their position. And the red ones, they means that these companies completely closed their position. And as you can see, we have more green lines than the red one, and this means many of institutional investors, they strongly believe in this company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, I made my previous video on February 11th, right here, and here was my setup. And for those of you who want to trade, I warned you that you have to be cautious because of the volatility of the stock. And on 1 hour chart, we can see that we've hit a stop loss. So your stop loss might be right below each and every level, or it might be lower than 0.65 region. And it's totally okay to hit on long position your stop loss. This will prevent you from the huge losses in future, and this will give you an opportunity to have more profits. And I don't need this one anymore. And here was my 3 accumulation zones. As you can see, we've hit all of them. We just can do it like this. And from this point, it was the most critical point of trend reversal. And as you can see, we poke through this level, then bounce back, and here we have strong support around $0.46. And in my opinion, it is a good sign. And across all the red markets for now, this stock, it's going to skyrocket in my opinion. And from this point, if it is the first time that you're watching my video, it is a best accumulation zone. And if you want to invest in this company and you've already done your own due diligence and you believe that their vaccine will be approved by FDA, will have an emergency use authorization, and I think it will have this authorization, and that's why you might enter your position as an investor in this company. So what should you do if you want to invest? Basically, for now we are hovering right around $10 mark, and this will be your first entry point. And if you haven't filled your position right here at 0.65, it will be the second one. And basically the third potential point should be around 0.786 region. Let me continue these levels like this. And for now, I think we have strong support right here, and it's less likely whether we hit the 0.786 level or not. But in case we will hit it, here will be your third entry point. And basically, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this before. See you guys next time. Bye!